Welcome back to Case Simplified channel. Today we are going to look at find and replace, the basic find and replace. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for me and hit the like button as well for me. Right, now we have this document here. I want to find all the word called green, and then I replace with the same word green. Then this time around, I want the green to be bold and italicized. So how do we do that? You can get find and replace in so many ways. From the home tab, and then you find another editing replace. Now, you can also do that by going to tell me what to do or the search, and then you put replace. Or you type replace, it's going to give it to you there. Or use shortcut control key, and then you press the F, which is find, control key, and H is replace. Control key plus H. Right. Now, what are we finding here? It's a find what? Inside the box, we type green, and then we replace with the same word green. But then still, you must click inside the replace with. Don't go and click here. So inside the replace with, you go to more. Now, because we are only looking for the word green, not green with something, green meridian or green wedge. So you have to take what you call find whole words only. This one will only pick the word green, not green with something. You have to be careful with that. And then you go to format, then we go to font. So we want to bold it, and then we want to also italize it. Let's say we want to change the color to also green. And then, okay, or you can make it maybe all caps or whatever, depending on what the question wants you to do. Then you click OK, then replace all. So we got 44 replacement. All the words that are green has been changed to the green, and then also bold and italicized. So basically, this is how we use find and replace. Again, let's say this font. This one, the font is Arial. So let's say we want to change the font from Arial to Algerian or Aharon. You can also use the font, the find and replace to do that. So find and replace. You don't put anything there. Let me clear everything here. So there shouldn't be any formatting here. Right, so here inside the font, you go to find what, then format, font, and then you type Arial. And then you come here as well. Then you are changing to, let's say, so let's remove all the formatting. Yeah. Let's remove, yes. So find what, then you go to format, font, then we change it to Arial. Then we are replacing with another font. So you go to format, font, then we want to replace it with maybe a Harmony font. That should be maybe changed to 12 PT. Then you go to replace all. So all the fonts has been changed from Arial to Harmony. So you can use find and replace to change your work. It could be the font, it could be the paragraph, so many ways. Yeah. So basically, this is the basic way of using the find and then replace. There's another one whereby it involves special characters and others, which is for grade 11 and then grade 12 content. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.